Hey everyone, this is Robin Duncan with a mindset shift. We are releasing the blocks to your natural state of love, happiness, and abundance. Let's go. Our topic today is self-forgiveness. So take a moment to think about one of those times where you might have made a mistake or maybe a big flopping failure. So take a moment and think about those details. It is time to forgive yourself once and for all. Let's do this together. Let's go over your heart, tapping there, and repeat after me. Dear God, there was a time where I made a mistake. Perhaps I did something wrong. Maybe I said something wrong. Maybe I did not do something I should have. I am willing to forgive myself once and for all. Let's go to the other side of the chest. I wholly forgive myself. I am willing to free myself from this judgment. I am willing to let myself be free, to be happy, and to have a life that I love, even if I don't know how. Let's go to the middle of the chest. I wholly give this to you. And I know I already have your forgiveness. Today, I celebrate my freedom from all of my self-judgment. I am ready for a happy life. Let it begin today.